I welcome you all. In this video, we are going to see how much percentage of our brain we are using. Before seeing the answer of this question, if you have not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and click the bell button next to it so that you don't miss any of our videos. First of all, we'll see some of the facts about the brain. As you all know, brain is the complex organ in our body. Brain weight is 2% of our total body weight. It has 100 billion neurons. 1 billion is equal to 100 crores. And the connection between the neurons, it's almost 100 trillion connections are there. 1 trillion is equal to 10,000 crores. So you can imagine how complex it is. For adults, brain itself consumes 20% of the total energy. Whereas for a child, it consumes 3 times of that adult. That is 60% of total energy is consumed by the brain. Why it is so? Because in childhood, the brain is growing. So it needs more energy. Brain consumes 20% of oxygen and 25% of glucose from our body. Brain consists of 73% of water. So hydration for the brain is very, very important. If it is dehydrated, even 2%, your brain will function improperly. Your memory will go down, your attention will be decreasing, your balance, that also will be collapsed. So water is very, very important for brain. If you take cholesterol, 25% of total cholesterol is in our brain only. Okay, now we will come to that question. How much percentage of brain we are using? Straight away you will be having answer in your mind that the great scientist Einstein himself has used only 10%. Then what about you and I? Definitely less than 10%. But it's not so. It's a completely myth. Then how come we are all believing that we are using less than 10%? Who has told you that? In 1907, a psychologist, Mr. William James, has wrote an article in a magazine. In that he has mentioned humans are not utilizing their brain completely. That's what he has written. He has not mentioned the percentage. The second fact is the scientists have the belief that neurons are 10% of the total brain cells. These are the two reasons by which we all assume that we are using less than 10%. In addition to that, all the magazines, newspapers, TV shows, movies, they were repeating this myth over and over again. That's why we are having this misconception today. Then who has proved that it's a myth? A neurologist, Mr. Barry Gordon, has declared that it's a myth. How he has found out? By using functional MRI. The functional MRI will tell you the mind activities pattern when a person is performing various tasks. By using this functional MRI, he has done research on various people. Based on his research, he released a paper saying that almost all parts of our brain are active, even if you are doing a small task. He also added that even if you are resting or sleeping, your brain is completely active. So everybody in this world are using their brain completely 100%. From activity to activity, very significant changes are taking place in the brain. Otherwise, most part of our brain is active. So hereafter, if somebody asks you how much percentage of brain you are using, don't say 10% or less. You can proudly say that you are using 100%. In the next video, we will be seeing whether you are a left side brain person or a right side brain person. Or that also a myth. We will be seeing the answers for all these questions. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.
Comment this video, subscribe our channel to get our updates.